In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automation for due date reminders in ClickUp. ClickUp is an excellent platform for managing tasks, projects, and workflows, and one of its most powerful features is the ability to automate repetitive processes. By setting up automations, you can save time and ensure your team stays on top of deadlines without constant manual follow-up. Today, we'll walk step by step through creating an automation for due date reminders so you can keep your tasks on track effortlessly. Let's dive right in. To get started, navigate to the specific space folder or list within ClickUp where you want the automation to apply. This is important because automations in ClickUp are location-specific, meaning they work only within the area you set them up. Make sure you're in the right spot by selecting the appropriate workspace where your tasks live. Next, verify that you have the necessary permissions to manage automations in the selected workspace. Not everyone on a team may have this access, so double-check with your admin or workspace settings if you're unsure. Without the proper permissions, you won't be able to create or modify automations. Now look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Automate button. This button is represented by a lightning bolt icon. Once you click it, the Automation Builder will open up, giving you all the tools you need to start crafting your automation. Once inside the Automation Builder, click on the Create Automation button. This will allow you to start building a new automation from scratch. Here, you have the option to either create a completely custom automation or choose from pre-built templates. For our purpose of setting up due date reminders, you can start from scratch by selecting Custom Automation. Alternatively, you can explore the pre-built templates if you prefer a faster setup process. When building from scratch, you'll first need to configure the trigger for the automation. For due date reminders, select Due Date Arrives from the drop-down menu. This trigger ensures that the automation will activate as soon as a task's due date and time are reached. It's important to note that, for this automation to work properly, all tasks in the selected location must have both a due date and a specific time set. Without both of these details, the automation won't know when to send a reminder. So double-check your task data to ensure everything is in place. Next, configure the action that will happen when the trigger is activated. In this case, select Add a Comment. This action allows you to post a comment directly on the task when the due date arrives. Now, write the reminder message that will be posted as a comment. It's a good idea to include an mention to notify the relevant person or team. For example, you could write something like, "At assignee, this task is due now. Please take action." This ensures that the message is seen by the right person and prompts immediate attention to the task. Once your message is ready, give your automation a clear and descriptive name. This step is key for staying organized, especially if you plan to create multiple automations in the future. Additionally, add a brief description of what the automation does. This will help you and your team quickly identify its purpose later on. Finally, click the Create button to save your automation. Once saved, it will activate immediately and begin working for the tasks in your selected location. From now on, due date reminders will be automatically sent as comments, keeping your team informed and proactive. If you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start exploring its powerful features. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.